Hello, all my dear students. Welcome to Sri Jain's Rank Zone classes. My name is Ajay Gulati, and I'm your friend and mentor for the mathematics portion that is we also call as quantitative aptitude. Dear students, as you can see on your screen, we'll be discussing the chapter permutations and combinations today. So, my dear friends, let's start with class 04 for permutation and combination. Today, what we will be discussing is I'll be starting with distribution distribution of n similar items among r different people among r different people. Okay, distribution of n similar items among r different people. It may be different people or friends, whatever it is. See, this is a special type of question. Many cases can arise in this. I will tell you a generic formula which will help you in all the cases. Just one small thing will be changed. See, the thing is, I explained to you again. Let's say I had five bowlers standing with me. Five bowlers. Let's say they want to do the bowling practice. Fine. Now what I want to do is I just need to let's say Virat Kohli is batting in front of them for practicing. So suppose I have a total of 20 balls. All the balls are exactly similar. When these 20 balls, all of them are exactly similar, I need to divide these 20 balls among these people. It is also possible. Fine, I need to divide these 20 balls into these five bowlers. So this is like n similar things, similar items, like n similar balls among five bowlers. 20 similar balls among five bowlers. So how will we do it? Look, just give me a second, dear student. Something is wrong with my pen right now. Forget it. So how will I proceed with this? The thing is, the generic formula is I give you the formula. This is here I will write a superscript. Superscript is something which is written above C, then there is a subscript. This subscript is R minus 1. Now this superscript is the main thing. Number of ways. This superscript will change as per the requirements of the question, otherwise things will be same. Number of ways of distributing. Let me just give me a second. Oh. Dear students, I start with it again. There was some technical error in my PC. I wrote the formula superscript divide CR minus 1 for the formula. What was that? Number of ways of distributing n alike things. Number of ways of distributing n similar items among r different people. So the formula is superscript upon CR minus 1. How will we fill that superscript? How will we fill that superscript? See, I told you this is superscript C R minus 1. The value of this superscript will be the value of the superscript. The superscript is equal to n plus r minus 1 when there are no limitations. When there are no limitations. What does the word no limitations means? When there are no limitations means, the no limitation means I am not being told to give at least any number to anyone. There are R people. I have 20 things. It's my choice whether I give anyone anything or not. I have to just distribute R thing. I have to distribute 20 things among R people. I will just set aside 20 things either I can give all of them to one person or to the second person, or I can divide them equally, or I can give one less to anyone, one more to anyone. It's entirely my choice when there are no limitations. Okay. Example, if I say, suppose 10 Cadbury chocolates, 10 Cadbury chocolates to, let's say, 4 kids when there is no limitation. 10 Cadbury chocolate to 4 kids when there is no limitations. That is, it's my choice. If I don't like a kid, I won't give him any chocolate. So that will be 10 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1. This thing is clear. Now, when there are limitations, when there are limitations or blockages, when there are limitations, see, or constraints, okay, then what will happen? Then the superscript will be n plus r minus 1 minus number of blocked things. Number of blocked things. Example, each boy must get at least 2. If it is like each boy must get at least, or I say 1, then what will happen? Then this will be like n plus r minus 1 minus r. Each boy must get at least 1, n plus r minus 1 minus r. This way it will be n plus r minus 1 minus r. That then it will become here, in this case, n is equal to 10, r is equal to 4. How many blockage? How many blocked? Each boy must get at least 1. So that is 4 into 1 is the blockage. So the formula becomes n plus r. See, then the formula becomes, this becomes 10 plus 4 minus 1 minus 4 C4 minus 1, or I can say 9 C3. This is the thing, it must be clear to you. I come with this number of ways of distributing 20 cricket balls. In this example also, you can see one more example. Each person must get at least 2 items. Then what will happen? It will be n plus r minus 1 minus the number of block things. The number of block things are 2r. Okay, so it will be n minus r minus 1. If I say each person must get at least 2 items, then superscript will be what? Then this superscript will be n plus r minus 1 minus 2r. Now, number of ways of distributing 20 cricket balls among 5 bowlers. It's my choice whether I give them any ball or not, whether I can keep one bowler in waiting. I won't give him any ball. So it will be 20 plus 5 minus 1, CR minus 1. There are no blockages. Number of ways of distributing 30 cricket balls among 4 bowlers such that each bowler must get at least 1 ball. So it will be 30 plus 4 minus 1 minus 4, C4 minus 1. This is for blocked things. Okay. This becomes 29 C3. If I say each bowler must get 3 balls, so it will be 30 plus 4 minus 1 minus 3 into 4. Each of the 4 people must get at least 1. C4 minus 1, it becomes what? This becomes 12. 4 minus 12 is minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 overall. Fine. So 21 C3, this is your answer. I hope you must have got this. Okay. Let me take an example based on this. Next is, suppose I say 15 similar pens among 4 friends. Among 4 friends, 15 similar pens among 4 friends, so that anyone may not get anything. So, or I can directly say without any limitation, no restrictions. Okay, no restrictions. The answer will be what? 15 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1. 15 pens, 4 friends, each must get at least one. Each must get at least one. Then what will be? It will be, let's say the sum is 24, 5, like this. 25 plus 5 minus 1 minus 5, C5 minus 1, that is 24 C4. Okay, next. 25 pens, 5 right, 5 friends. The eldest, the eldest person, the eldest person must get at least one. Must get at least one. Then what will happen, Jason? Then it will be 25 plus 5 minus 1. Here the blockage is for only one person, that is the eldest one. He must get at least one. So minus 1, C, 5 minus 1, that is 28 C 4. Okay, clear to all? Next thing, 21 chocolates, let's say pens. Fine, we have done this. Okay, now let me give you a good example, another example. Let's say x plus y plus z is equal to 10. X plus y plus z is equal to 10. Number of solutions for this equation if x is a whole number. If x, y, z are whole numbers. If x, y, and z are whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are those which start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dear friends, it is like this can take 0, this can take 0, this can take 0. So, it is like distributing 10 things among 3 friends without any limitation. Why there is no limitation? Because each one can get 0 also. So, it will be 10 plus 3 minus 1. Number of block things are 0. C3 minus 1, that will be 12 C2. Okay, next. X plus y plus z is equal to 10. Natural number of solutions. Okay, number of solutions for this equation if x, y, and z are natural numbers. What does natural numbers means? Means this will be at least one, this will be at least one, this will be at least one. Okay, so it will be how like what way? Then it will be x plus y, sorry, 10 plus 3 minus 1 minus 3y, because each one must get at least one. C3 minus 1, that is 3 and 3 cancel. This will be 9 C2. I am sure so far this concept must be clear to all of you. Okay, dear students. A shelf contains 6 separate compartments. Number of ways in which 8 similar books can be placed in the compartment so that 3 compartments contain at least one book and the next 3 compartments contain at least 2 books each is C. Separate compartments. How many things are there? First of all, 8 number of ways in which 18 similar books. These books are to be distributed, are to be placed in 6 separate compartments. N plus R minus 1 minus number of block things. The compartments, so that the first 3 compartments contain at least one book. First 3 compartments may contain at least one book, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. And the next 3 compartments contain at least 2 books, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, C6 minus 1. Okay. Now this will be like 6 minus 4. Okay, this is, see, minus 4 and minus 6, minus 10. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 minus 10 is 14. So this will be 14C5. This will be your answer. Okay, dear students, clear to all? Fine. 10 pens are to be selected from pens of three colors. There are infinite number of pens in each color of each color. Then the total number of selections is, see, you have 10 pens are to be selected from pens of three colors. See, this one, it is similar to like you have to take 10, you have to give 10 chocolates to three kids. Exactly 10 color pens are to be distributed among three colors. You getting this? So it will be 10 plus 3 minus 1. 10 pens are to be selected from pens of three colors. There are infinite number of pens of each color. Then the total number of selections is, this is 10 plus 3 minus 1, C 3 minus 1. Okay, 10 plus 3 minus 1, C 3 minus 1. There are no limitations. Okay, so this will be what? 12 C2. What will be 12 C2? That will be 12 into 11 by 2 or 66. Next question. Mohan, a thief, went to a liquor shop where he decided to take away 15 bottles. In the shop, there are infinite bottles of wine, whiskey, rum, vodka, and gin. In how many ways he can select the bottles? See, what this fellow needs to do, he needs to take 15 bottles out of 5 brands. So it is like you have to distribute 15 bottles among 5 brands. It will be 15 without any rim. Okay? In how many ways he can select the bottles? 15 plus 5 minus 1 C 5 minus 1. Okay, so that will be 19 C4. This will be your answer. In this question itself, if it is given, he must take at least one bottle of each type. He must take at least one bottle of each type. Then what it then there is an obligation. He must carry at least one of each type. Then 5C4 minus 1. That will be 20 minus 6, 14 C4. I'm sure you must be getting this concept clearly. The next question we have 30 identical mangoes or similar mangoes. 30 identical mangoes. These are to be distributed among 4 boys. They are to be distributed among 4 boys. There are no constraints. Okay, no constraints or no limitation. Options are 33C4, 33C2, 5456. Option D is none of these. None of these. Okay. See, first of all, what will be the method? 30 things among 4 people minus 1, C 4 minus 1. Do we have such option? 34 minus 1 is 33 C3. We don't have 33 C3. We don't have 33 C3. What will be 33 C3? 33, 32, 31, 1, 2, 3. 3 and 33 cancel to give me a 11. 2 and 32 cancel to give me a 16. 11 into 31 into 16. 30 into 16, 480. 1 into 16 is 16. So it is 496. 6 carry. See, 6 I write. How to multiply by 11? Then 6 and 9, 5. 1 carry. I write 6. 6 and 5 I carry 1. 1 and 4 and 9 will give me a 14. Then 1 carry. Then it will give me a 5. So 5, 4, 5, 6. Option number C is the answer. So, my dear students, today we have done almost every possible question pertaining to this exercise. And I hope if you practice these questions, you will be easily able to master your topic permutation and combination. And the best thing about this permutation combination is the questions are might appear to be tough, but they are very small. You can solve them in very limited time. So make sure you practice them by writing, because it will take very little time to practice. And once you become a champion of these questions, you will be very easily able to solve these questions in your exam in very limited amount of time, which will give you more time to solve further questions. So, with this, I will take your leave by saying, please practice as much as you can. Just by watching the videos, you won't be able to solve them in your exam. Practice as much as you can. Practice by writing. All the very best, dear students. Crack your exam. Bye bye. Take care.